Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another set of nails, and this time we'll be doing some black matte nails with some glitter and a water decal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do this glitter ombre. So I polished the nail halfway, or the half of the nail, with the red La Palm gel polish, and then I sprinkled that red glitter on it. And this glitter I believe I got from Walmart or Michael's. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other nail. I'm going to paint the half of the nail with the red La Palm gel polish, sprinkle the glitter on there, and then I'm gonna come back and do the other half of the nail with a black gel polish by La Palm as well in the color Little Black Dress. And I'm gonna cure each little layer in between for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna dust this one off, and like I said, I'm gonna go back in with some black, polish the rest of the nail, and then I'm gonna kind of go up a little bit too on the red, just to make it blend in the middle. Same thing, I'm gonna sprinkle the glitter on, and I'm using a little cuticle pusher. And this black glitter I got from Dollar Tree in their crafts area. So I'm just gonna pat it around, make sure I blend it in the middle, and then I'm gonna put it back under the light for 30 seconds and let that cure. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other hand. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with my pure white gel polish by La Palm, and this will be a base for the decal. Usually whenever you're using a water decal, you usually want to go in with a white base color under the decal, and that's just so your decal will actually stand out. That could be different depending on what color decal you're using, but in this case we're doing a white base, and we're gonna cure this for about 30 seconds. And for this hand, we're gonna do the index finger white, which will be for our decal, and then I'm gonna go in with a black on the rest of her nails, and it's a black by La Palm in the color Pretty Black Dress, and we're gonna cure those for 30 seconds. Once again, this black gel polish that I'm using is by La Palme in the color Little Black Dress, and we are going to do 2 coats of each color. And remember, you want to cure each coat in between for 30 seconds. And then the little brush that I use to clean around the cuticle area is just a little gel brush that I have by OPI, but you can use any little brush that works for you just to clean around the cuticle area. And I use nail polish remover or acetone to clean around the cuticle to get any of that polish off. So for the water decal, I've already cut out the ones that she wanted, and it has like a clear film on top of it, so I took that off. You dip it in the water and then you can just easily take it off the paper. So then you just lay it on the nail and just spread it out wherever you want it, and then you do a layer of your top coat. So it's really easy. Once again, you just dip it into the water. As you see here, you dip it into the water, and then it's kind of like one of those little tattoos, I guess, and you pat it on the nail wherever you want it. Make sure it's centered, and then you do a top coat over it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let this dry real quick. And I am gonna be doing a matte top coat over all the black ones, and I'm using my Elite 99 matte top coat. And I am restocking my website really soon. I'm just waiting on everything to come in because I don't want to just restock half of my stuff. So once again, this is my Elite 99 matte top coat. And then for my white one with the decal and my glitter nail, I'll be using a regular gel top coat, which will be my IBD gel top coat. And we're going to cure these for about 90 seconds, only because I like to cure my matte top coat for a little bit longer to make sure it gets really matte. And then the nail with the decal, you want to make sure you go back, and if there's any little rough edges, just file or buff them out. That way whenever you do your second top coat, your decal is basically like encapsulated inside the top coat. That way it will stay on really good. And I never have a problem with my water decals coming off at all, but like I said, I kind of just go back, and just in case any of like the little edges were lifted, you just go back in and smooth it out. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This set was really simple yet really pretty. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and stay tuned for more videos to come.